Welcome to this detailed tutorial of the Finances page in the myFSU portal. In the top left corner of the page, you'll find the Student Finances portlet, which is organized by tabs. The default tab is Invoice. On this tab, you will see any charges or amounts due, and you can toggle the eye icon to view the specific balance. Below this, you have several resources you can select if you need to make a payment, generate an invoice, update an address, or add and update your direct deposit information. There are also options to appeal a late payment, appeal a late registration fee, request a deferment, or authorize a third party for billing. The next tab is Florida Prepaid. If you have a Florida Prepaid plan, those details will be displayed in this section. Within this tab, you have resources to modify your Florida Prepaid plan, contact a specialist, or visit the official Florida Prepaid website. On the Private Scholarships tab, any private scholarships you have received will be listed. This section also provides helpful links to view your account activity history or apply for financial aid. To the right of the Student Finances portlet is the Financial Aid section. If you have received financial aid, that information will display at the top of this portlet, along with a notice of your FAFSA status. You can use the link provided to view your prior year's aid history. Below this, you have several important resources allowing you to report outside aid, view your award summary, and review the terms and conditions of your financial aid.